Hi, this video explains how to create video thumbnails. Before we start, we need to make sure that we have two softwares installed. First one is Photoshop, and any version is good. And the second one is actually any print screen capturing software that is able to make a screenshot of your computer's display. I personally use a print screen. It's free, it's easy to use, and let's make sure it's running on my computer. Yes, it is. So first step is to go to the video at Real Man Real Style YouTube channel that you want to make thumbnails from. So first step is to make sure that we have chosen the best quality possible for this video. Let's make this, then make it full screen and start playing. I need to say that this is most time consuming and the most tricky part, because the thumbnail, the screenshot you're gonna make should be of good quality and present what is on this video in the best view. Let's see what I mean. Let's stop this. Okay, not bad, but maybe we have something better. Pay attention on what Antonio is talking about. If it's about scarves, probably it's a good idea to capture him having a scarf. Okay, let's do this. Make sure that mouse is not widely open and no strange pantomime is captured, because it's really difficult to capture what you like to capture. Okay, maybe this one, not to make the process too long on this tutorial. So let's click the print screen and capture the area. The wider the area, the better. And let's name this file scarf. It's a JPG file. Okay, now we go to Photoshop and open one of the previously created thumbnails, which I store in PSD format. So let's go here. I have mockups for any background, and here we need a white background. You see the thumbnails that was previously created. So let's deactivate an old image, go to the list of all the videos, and you can see the thumbnail wording made by Antonio. Let's copy this, come back to Photoshop and change the wording. Okay, let's make it smaller, then we come back and customize it. Now we need to play with image. Let's open up the image that we captured from the video, and we need to make all the background white. Actually, you don't always know what color the background is, and sometimes it's not purely white or purely black, so a good idea is always to check it. So you choose brush tool, go to colors and click here on the rest of the background to make sure, yeah, you see it's not white, it's a little bit different. Okay, let's paint this area. Let's paint this up. I'm not doing this now perfectly because it's not the purpose of this tutorial. Okay, we have a rough sketch. Then let's drag this image into main Photoshop. Let's stylize it and go back to the wording. The wording, make sure that you make the main thing bigger. So main words are scarf, of course, buying tips. Actually, each word here is pretty important, so we're gonna make them all big. Or maybe put tips here and move it here, and maybe make even bigger. Yep, If we have a number, make sure the number is big enough. Let's decrease the space. Yeah, it's not maybe perfect now, but something that's gonna make live. Okay, so first thing you need to do now is to save Photoshop file. Why? Because later you may want to change it and you will have it's ready, not to create it once again. So we create Photoshop file and store it in a separate folder. You see I have all the thumbnails, hundreds of them, stored here. So save it. Okay, then we go to, okay, I will show it here. Save for web and devices. And it's gonna store in JPEG format. Oh, the quality is 61 or, well, not less than 60. Save, and save it as general JPEG file. Well, that's all.